Good morning, students, and happy Monday. It is almost April, which is crazy. This video is going to give you a little tour of Google Classroom for a little quiz I'm going to give you to make sure that we're all on the same page with where we're keeping stuff and with organization. So, when you go to Google Classroom, it looks like this, except you only have one sophomore English class, whereas I have three because I am your teacher. I'm going to just click on one of those, and I am going to, this is your stream. You see it here. You'll see any new updates here right at the top, but the page I really want to draw your attention to today is actually the classwork page, okay? When you click on classwork, I recently, finally, after 2 weeks of online learning, I got inspired to feel more organized. You might be feeling the same way. This is going to help you so much, I hope. So under each heading, you will see the work for the week. So under work for week 3, March 30th through April 3rd, you will see all your work for this week. It's not quite updated yet. I'm about to do it, and then it'll go live. But that will be your work for this week. So that's where you need to click to find what you need to know. Below it is your weekly work, and this is due on Sundays. And I'd ask that you don't click turn in because I want you to always have access to be able to edit it whenever you want and not require me to return it to you in order to do that. So you have your daily reading chart, which you can update daily for each time that you read and say how many minutes and how many pages you're reading. This is due Sunday night by 11:59, and I'll give you a grade on it on each Monday. And then your diary during coronavirus. I'm loving reading about your lives, and this is such a valuable and worthwhile way to keep track of your life right now, which is crazy and different from how it was 2 weeks ago. So write weekly. I don't care what day you write. Put the date on it, and then make sure you've written at least once before Sunday night. And then explore new ways of writing there too, like poetry or like lists or paragraphs or pictures, whatever you feel like you want to do to be creative and explore all the topics of your life. Below that, stuff to help us feel sane. It's my one yoga video, and I'll try to update that this week with another one. Here is old work for week 2. There are several of you who still haven't turned in your crap tests. You can attach pictures to a Google Doc if you need to take pictures of it and turn that in. Your quick writes are also found here. So if you're looking for your research, this is where you should look. This was our first week, work for week 1. And then way down here is all our old work. This is when we actually met in the classroom. And so any work from September through February you'll find here, but you probably won't need to revisit that too often. I'll always put the current work for the week at the very top. So use this classwork tab. It will give you all the updates for weekly work. Thanks.